Masking policies are being dialed back at hospitals across Vermont this week as doctors say new cases of COVID-19 remain low entering the spring and summer. ABC 22's Matt Holderman live in the newsroom right now with details on which hospitals are making some changes and exactly what we can expect from the doctors too. Hey, Matt.
Hey, Lauren. Well, the big one here is definitely the University of Vermont Health Network, as its leaders announced today that starting next Wednesday, anyone in public areas like waiting rooms and hallways will no longer be required to wear a mask. At medical centers throughout the Green Mountain State, it's now mask off, if you so choose.
They told us now that it's safe to adopt no masks in public areas.
3 hospitals across the University of Vermont Health Network, along with Northeastern Vermont Regional Hospital in St. Johnsbury, are all loosening their COVID-19 era masking policies. Starting next Wednesday at the UVM medical centers in Burlington, Berlin, and Middlebury, masking requirements in public areas will be lifted for both patients and employees and will return to pre-COVID visitation guidelines. At the hospital in St. J, similar changes went into effect this Wednesday, with masking now optional for anyone who isn't feeling sick. At all 4 hospitals, the only people still required to wear masks will be employees who are providing direct patient care, essentially going back to the way it's always been.
Our providers and staff that are taking care of patients in patient care areas will still wear masks. So we're very comfortable the policy that we outlined will protect all of our patients, including our most vulnerable.
Doctors at UVM attribute the change to low COVID numbers, saying things have been pretty calm for a while now. The latest data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention backs that up, showing community transmission levels are low in every county across Vermont right now except Windham County, where transmission is at a medium level.
Now that those rates have decreased tremendously and have stayed low, this feels like the right time to be, loosening some of our restrictions.
For those who might not be comfortable with the change, though, you do have a say in the matter. Officials at all 4 hospitals say they'll still provide free masks for anyone who wants to wear one, and patients will be allowed to ask employees to mask up for extra protection.
We told our teams that if a patient asks you to wear a mask, to please support that request.
And doctors say their policies will remain this way until further notice now, unless case counts of COVID or other diseases go up once again. They say they'll be keeping an eye on that specifically during respiratory and viral season, which of course doesn't really start again until this coming October. Reporting live in the newsroom, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.